Welcome back to RGSecurityTeam. Today we're going to explore an interesting tool from GitHub called CamPhish. Just a few days ago, CamPhish received a major update introducing GPS capture. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what's new, how the tool works. Let's dive in. CamPhish is a penetration testing tool created by techchipnet. It generates phishing links that, when opened, ask for camera and location access, if the target accepts. The camera snapshots are captured, and with the new update, GPS location data is logged, giving you accurate coordinates to test awareness against modern phishing attacks. Let's set it up. Here I'm using Kali Linux, but you can run it on Termux or other supported systems. First, download this script on your system. Then give this file execution permission. Then run it. Here you choose what you want to use as tunneling. In this demo, I'll pick the YouTube Live template. You can choose template as your wish. Then it will automatically download the binary file of the tunnel as per your system, start the PHP server, and give you the direct phishing link. As you can see here, the phishing link is created and now we can use it directly. I am opening it in my browser. Now here it is asking for location and camera permissions. If the target user allows it, his exact location and the image captured by the camera will be uploaded to your system. There are two things I didn't like about this tool. 1. There is no option to run it on localhost. 2. The camera footage is displayed directly in the browser, which causes the browser to lag. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Share this video and subscribe to RGSecurityTeam for more tutorials on penetration testing tools. Comment below if you'd like me to cover more phishing frameworks in upcoming videos. Stay ethical, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.